Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maximum Math Games. The puzzle of the day is Send More Money Puzzle. Every alphabet represents a distinct single digit number such that the sum of the numbers represented by send and more is equal to the number represented by the word money. Okay? Find the numbers associated with all these alphabets. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us get started. So, the first thing that we have is send is a 4-digit number, and like every 4-digit number, send has to be less than the number 9999. And the same can be said for the number more, and hence more has to be less than the number 9999, and when you add these two numbers, so we get send plus more has to be less than 19998, and hence we can have either the number 1 at the place of this alphabet M or the number 0. Now obviously M cannot be equal to 0, okay? Because in that case, this number, that is money, will become a 4-digit number instead of 5-digit number, and that is not possible, okay? So, M has to be equal to 1. M has to be equal to... Now, we will replace 1 instead of the letter M, okay? So, we have send plus 1 ORE is equal to 1 ONEY. Now we see that more is obviously less than 2000 and send is obviously less than 9999. Therefore, we get that send plus more is less than 11999, okay, and hence this alphabet over here, okay, this is the place of M, this is the place of O, this alphabet over here cannot be, this O cannot be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, this is not possible, and hence the only option available for O are either 1 or 0. Now O cannot be equal to 1 because 1 has already been taken by M, and hence O has to be equal to 0. So we will put a 0 in the place of O, and hence our question will become send plus 10 RE is equal to 10 NEY. Now again we can observe that if send is less than 9000, okay, and more is less than 1100, then send plus more is less than 10100, thereby implying that this alphabet over here, we are talking about N in this place, this N has to be either 0 or 1, but this is not possible because 0 has already been occupied by O and 1 has already been occupied by the alphabet M, and hence this is not possible. Therefore, this condition is not possible, that is send cannot be less than 9000, and hence send has to be more than 9000, which simply implies that the alphabet S has to be equal to 9. So what we will do is, we will replace the alphabet S by the digit 9, and hence we will get the question as 9 END plus 10 RE is equal to 10 NEY. Okay. Moving further, now we observe that either we can have E plus 0 is equal to N, or we can have a carryover over here from this previous addition and hence we can get 1 plus E plus 0 is equal to N. So either we will have E plus 0 is equal to N, or we will have E plus 1 plus 0 is equal to N. Obviously, this is not possible because in this case E will be equal to N and this is not permissible, okay? And hence we get the relation between E and N, and that is 1 plus E is equal to N. Now proceeding further, we can observe that there are further two cases. The first case is N plus R plus 1 is equal to E plus 10. This 10 represents this one that has carried over, and this one represents the carryover over here because of this addition, okay? So either we can have this case, or we can have the case that N plus R is equal to E plus 10, which simply implies that there is no carryover over here, okay? Now if we take the first case, substituting the previous value of N, that is 1 plus E over here, we get 1 plus E plus R plus 1 is equal to E plus 10, which simply implies that R is equal to 8, okay? And in this case, if we substitute the value of N, we get 1 plus E plus R is equal to E plus 10, which simply implies that R is equal to 9. Obviously, this is not possible because the number 9 has already been occupied by the alphabet S, and hence we get that R is equal to 8. Okay, so what we'll do is we will substitute this value of R over here, and hence we will get 9END plus 108E is equal to 10NEY. Still, we need to find out the rest of the alphabets, that is E and D and Y. Now, moving further, let us just observe all the elements. So, we have the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 0 has already been taken by the alphabet O. This 1 has already been taken by the alphabet M. This 8 has already been taken by the alphabet R, and this 9 has already been taken by the alphabet S. Okay. So, we are left with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And hence, now we observe that D plus E has to be less than 14. And a little while earlier, we observed that there will be a 1 carried over from the addition of D and E, and also there will be a 1 that will be carried over from the addition of 1 plus N plus 8. Okay. And hence, D plus E has to be less than 14. Now we have two possible cases. The first case, either D plus E is equal to 13 or D plus E is equal to 12. Now this case will arise only when Y is equal to 3. Now there are two further cases. D is equal to 7, which simply implies E is equal to 6, and further implying that N has to be equal to 7 because we already know the formula that 1 plus E is equal to N. Okay. So this is not possible because in that case D and N will take the same values, and this is obviously not possible. Okay. Now if Y equal to 3 and we have E is equal to 7, which will imply that N is equal to 8. But this is not possible because 8 value is not available because it has already been assigned to the alphabet R. Okay. So this is not possible again. So let us move on. Over here we get Y is equal to 2, and this can be observed in two particular cases. And the first one is we can have E is equal to 5. And if E is equal to 5, then obviously N is equal to 6 and D is equal to 7. Okay, there is no contradiction over here as of now. Now let us check out the other case. If E is equal to 7, then we get N is equal to 8 and D is equal to 5. But here again, N is equal to 8 is not possible because 8 has already been assigned to the alphabet R, and hence the only possible case is D is equal to 7, N is equal to 6 and E is equal to 5. So we get the value of D, we get the value of N, we get the value of E, and in that case Y is equal to 2, and hence we get our answer, and the answer is 9, 5, 6, 7. That is the alphabet S, E, N, D respectively. plus 1085, that is the alphabets MORE, is equal to 10652, that is the word MONEY. I hope you have enjoyed the question and have understood the explanation. Thank you.